Have you ever wondered why Labradors are so prone to being overweight? It's a question many Labrador owners and enthusiasts have asked themselves, especially when they look into those pleading puppy eyes begging for just one more treat. Yes, Labradors are known for their hearty appetite and their seemingly insatiable desire for food. But this isn't just a quirk of the breed or a stereotype perpetuated by popular culture. In fact, there's a scientific basis for this characteristic that explains why Labradors, more than many other breeds, tend to pack on the pounds. It's a fascinating subject that delves into genetics, the relationship between Labradors and their food, and the critical importance of weight management for these lovable canines. So if you've ever found yourself puzzled by your Labrador's constant hunger and propensity for weight gain, you're not alone. Stay tuned to delve into the fascinating science behind this. Did you know that a Labrador's genes play a significant role in their tendency to gain weight? Unraveling the mystery of a Labrador's insatiable appetite, we dive into the world of canine genetics. You see, it all boils down to something called the POMC gene, which is quite the mastermind behind your Labrador's eating behavior. This gene is like the command center of hunger regulation in many animals, including humans and our furry friends. Under normal circumstances, the POMC gene does a stellar job of sending signals to the brain, telling it when the body has had enough to eat. But in Labradors, there's a plot twist. Many Labradors have a mutation in this POMC gene, which essentially throws a wrench in the works of their hunger regulation. Instead of sending accurate "I'm full" signals, this mutated gene is more like a broken traffic light stuck on green, constantly telling the dog to go ahead and eat, even when they've had enough. This is like having a never-ending buffet table in front of them, and their brain is telling them to keep going back for seconds, thirds, fourths, and so on. So, it's not surprising that Labradors often end up eating more than they should, leading to a greater risk of weight gain. Labradors don't just eat to live, they live to eat. This breed is notorious for their insatiable appetites and love of food. But why is this, you might ask? You see, Labradors have a long history as working dogs, specifically in the hunting and fishing industries. They were bred to retrieve game and fish, jobs that required a great deal of energy and stamina. To fuel these strenuous activities, Labradors had to consume high-calorie food, and lots of it. Their bodies were conditioned to store as much energy as possible, leading to their inherent love for food. Fast forward to the present day, the Labrador's historical trait of needing high-calorie food to fuel their energy-intensive jobs is now a burden. In our modern, pet-friendly environment, where high-calorie foods are readily available, this trait can lead to overeating and consequently, weight gain. Labradors are not known for being picky eaters. They will eat just about anything that's put in front of them, and they'll do it with gusto. This enthusiastic approach to food is endearing, but it's also a double-edged sword. Their love for food, combined with their lack of self-regulation, can quickly lead to overeating if not monitored closely. Moreover, Labradors have a unique genetic quirk. Some Labradors carry a gene that makes them feel hungry, even when they've had enough to eat. This means that even after a hearty meal, some Labradors will still feel the urge to eat, leading to further weight gain. So you see, Labradors' relationship with food is a complex one. It's influenced by their history, their genetics, and their environment. It's a relationship that requires careful management to ensure that they maintain a healthy weight and live a long, happy life. Their love for food, coupled with their genetic predisposition, can make weight management a challenge. But with careful monitoring, portion control, and regular exercise, it's a challenge that can be overcome. But why is it important to manage a Labrador's weight, you might ask? Well, much like in humans, carrying extra pounds can lead to a slew of health issues for our four-legged friends. Obesity in dogs can significantly increase the risk of heart disease. This is because the additional body fat places unnecessary strain on their heart, causing it to work harder than it should. Diabetes is another potential threat. Overweight dogs are more likely to develop insulin resistance, which can lead to this chronic condition. It's not a pleasant experience for them and can severely impact their quality of life. But it doesn't stop there. Excess weight can also lead to joint problems. Labradors are a large breed and their joints are already under a lot of pressure just supporting their normal body weight. Add a few extra pounds to the mix, and you're looking at a higher likelihood of conditions such as hip dysplasia and arthritis. Now, the good news is these health risks can be largely mitigated through regular exercise and a balanced diet. Regular walks, playtime, and portion-controlled meals can go a long way in keeping your Labrador's weight in check. So as we can see, managing your Labrador's weight isn't just about aesthetics, it's about ensuring they lead a long, happy, and healthy life. Remember, a happy Labrador is a healthy Labrador, and that often means a Labrador at a healthy weight. So now you know why Labradors are so prone to being overweight. The combination of genetics and their unique relationship with food makes them predisposed to weight gain. However, with consistent weight management and a balanced diet, we can ensure a healthier and happier life for our furry friends. Remember, our Labradors rely on us to keep them fit and sprightly. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content.